The new AirPods Pro 2. Why did I upgrade? What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name is Mo, and in this video, we're going to talk about the new AirPods Pro 2, why did I upgrade, and my first impressions. Here we go. So there you have it. Those are the AirPods Pro 2. The reason why I chose to upgrade to these is because I finally figured out a solution to the problem that I had. AirPods used to always fall out of my ears, but I decided to go ahead and get me one of these over the ears hooks to attach to the AirPods. I'm very hopeful that these will start to work on my ears, especially during a workout or just actively moving my head around. Please stay tuned to the channel. I will be doing a full review of these AirPods in the next few weeks. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more of my content, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any comments or questions about the new AirPods, go ahead and leave it down in the comment section below. And until next time, I will see you in the next video.